SmartDraw has over 34,000 symbols to help you make diagrams of all kinds. And it's easy to search for your desired symbols and pin symbol sets and libraries to your diagram for quick access. Each SmartDraw template comes with a Smart panel docked to the left of the drawing area. This panel contains all the relevant tools and most commonly used symbols needed to create that specific diagram. For diagrams that require a large variety of symbols, like floor plans, landscape designs, AWS diagrams, and others, it would be impossible to guess every symbol you'll need to complete your visual. To search for any symbols that aren't already in your library, click on the blue Search Symbols text at the top of the Smart panel to open the Symbols tab with a search bar. Type any keyword and hit Enter, or click here to search. The search results will be grouped by the libraries they were found in. Only the symbols that match the keyword will be shown. You can drag and drop any of the found symbols from this panel right into your drawing. You can also add any combination of the found symbols to the main Smart panel to use later in your diagram. To add only the symbols that matched the search from a specific library, click here and select Add Result. You can also pin that entire library by selecting Add Library. You can add as many results and libraries as you like. If you want to add every symbol a query returned as a custom set, click the star icon to the right of the search field. This will group all the found symbols into a single set and dock that to your diagram. To undo the grouping, just click the star icon again. Any result you pin will appear in the list of libraries in the Symbols section of the Smart panel. You can scroll through them or click on these arrows to expand and collapse any library. Click the X to unpin the library from the Smart panel. You can also drag libraries up and down the stack to reorder them. It's that easy to find and compile exactly what you need from SmartDraw's vast symbol library.